Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to the channel. I am Priyanka Chaudhary. In today's video, we are going to practice speaking English together using a simple and effective method. Listen and repeat. Here, you are going to listen and repeat after me. And this is going to bring a tremendous change in your speaking. The topic for today is my daily routine. And this is the topic that we must know how to speak. This topic will help you learn daily vocabulary, sentence structure, and improve your English fluency. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't forget. Speak loudly and clearly. Let's go. Let's start with the morning routine. First sentence, I will be speaking and then it is your turn. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Your turn. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower. I get dressed and comb my hair. I eat my breakfast at 7:30. I usually have eggs, toast, and a cup of tea. After breakfast, I pack my bag. I leave home at 8 o'clock. Now let's talk about the work or study part of the day. Repeat each sentence after me. So here we go. Number 1. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. Please repeat. Next, I reach my office at 9 o'clock. I check my emails and plan my day. I attend meetings and complete my tasks. I have lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I talk with my colleagues during lunch. I continue working until 5 o'clock. Then I leave for home. Superb. Let's move on to the evening routine. Repeat after me, sentence by sentence. I come back home at 6 in the evening. I come back home at 6 in the evening. I relax and have some snacks. I relax and have some snacks. Sometimes I go for a walk or exercise. I spend time with my family. I watch TV or read a book. I have dinner at 8 o'clock. After dinner, I check my phone or listen to music. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. That's outstanding. See, repeating after me is actually enabling you to speak in English. Now, I will read a short paragraph about my daily routine. Listen to it carefully and then repeat after me in short parts. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning and drink a large glass of water. Then I wake up my son Vidur and help him get ready for school. I prepare breakfast and pack his lunch. At 8 a.m., I drop him off at school. After that, I complete my household chores. I take a shower and get dressed. While Vidur is at school, I either record a video or work on editing one. At 12:30 p.m., I pick him up from school. Once we are home, I help him change his clothes and prepare lunch for him. After lunch, I try to make him take a nap. At 5 o'clock, I begin my tuition classes, which go on until 8 p.m. Then I prepare something for Vidur to eat. Afterwards, I do Zumba for half an hour to stay fit. I usually prepare some snacks for Vidur again around this time. At 9 p.m., I help him with his school homework. Then we have dinner together as a family. Finally, we go to bed at 10:30 p.m. That's all about my daily routine. Next is your turn. Great job! You just practiced your entire daily routine in English. Repeat this video every day to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more speaking practice videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.